All right, here's one of the favorites from Ford in the mid-50s. 1956 Ford Fairlane Crown Victoria. 1955 marked the first time the Crown Victoria nameplate was used, and it was basically for the flagship model of the Fairlane. Was used for 2 years, 55 and 56, until later on. Very nice car. Nice looking car too. The one thing I'll tell you about this is with the black and the pink combo here, in the video and in the pictures, the pink gets faded out a little bit. I don't know if I can get it to pop like it is in person, but it's got a little brighter pink color to it. In this era car, great combination. As you can see, the bright work, chrome, everything in the front bumper, grill, nice shape. Again, I'd call this a nice driver quality car. As far as the finish and the interior, car is powered by a 292 underneath the hood. This car is actually built in Chicago. It was originally a colonial white and black car. Along the way, it's had a repaint. Interior was a black, raven black, and white interior. That appears to be still correct on the car. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can kind of see what I'm saying. You'll see a little different pink and shading, and it'll pop a little bit more in some of the pictures. You can check out the underside, check out the engine bay. The pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on that. That's going to take you to the pictures. You can feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. 292 is paired with an automatic transmission. Bench seat shifter on the column car. There is a clear title also to this car, so no problem registering in the state. The Crown Victoria, of course, had this stainless crowning, the one across on the top of the roof. As you can see, the bright work and everything up and down the side of this car, and also in nice shape. Dual antennas back here, give it that great 50s look. Here you go. I get back here. There you can see the pink's got a little darker shade to it. That's a little bit more the color that you see in person, like you see right back here. Now, we did do some service work on this car recently also. The carburetor has been rebuilt, new carb kit in it. The tank was drained. Also, a new fuel pump was put in. It has 4 new wheel cylinders in it. The drums were all turned, and it has new shoes all the way around too. So some brake work, carb work, gas work was done on this car. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with the transportation of getting this car to where you're located at. Come around here to the back, you can see the Ford and Fairlane insignia in the trunk. And of course, like I said, the Crown Vic was the flagship car of the Fairlane. Once again, feel free to check out the still pictures down below this video. Click on the link, uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Come down, let's check out the passenger side here. Again, you can see how nicely that bright work lines up there at the door. Come up here. The car's nice and straight. Great look to it with this color combination. And here's your Crown Victoria logos on each door. Check out this interior. It's a cloth vinyl combination. Data tag, of course, right there. Door panels matching in the black and the white. Carpeting in nice shape. Let's check out the headliner here. So that crowning came through, and the interior also gave this car a great sleek look. Pretty much the stock dash. I was playing around a little bit ago. I did have the wipers work. I did not have the radio working. It does appear to be the stock radio, and I did have the blower fan going. So let's go ahead and start this up. hear how that 292 sounds. See, it starts easily. Dash appears to have been repainted along the way also, but again, very stock looking dash. Let's go ahead and check out how this car sounds from the rear. Door closes nicely. About what you'd expect. Exhaust exiting through the bumpers. Normal sound to it. Just cool cars. 56 Crown Vics. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. We're going to pop this hood so you can check out that engine bay and see how that looks. Alright, here we go. Check underneath the hood. As you can see, about what you'd expect from a stock Crown Vic. Smooth fuel pump down there. See how smooth that V8 runs. Nice looking stock engine bay. Here's the heater hoses are still hooked up over here. There you have it. 1956 Ford Fairlane Crown Victoria. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. Click on the link down below this video in the description. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Give us a call.